First thing first, you want to update your Spotify application to the latest version by going to the App Store if you are on the iPhone, or Play Store if you are on the Android. After you update it, you can just click on the Open button to open your Spotify application. On the Spotify application, you want to click on the Home tab. At the top of your screen, you want to click on this Wrapped button. And right here, you can see your Wrapped stories, your top music, playlist, and so on around the top of the screen. You can just click on any of them and share it if you need. And don't forget that you have to do this on your phone because you cannot find the Wrapped story on your PC or laptop. The second way to do this is by tapping on the search icon at the bottom of the screen, and then on the search bar you want to search for Wrapped 2025. And then you can just choose 2025 Wrapped option. And the other way to do it is by going to your browser, either Safari or Google Chrome. And then on the Google search, you want to search for Spotify Wrapped 2025. And you can click right here on the 2025 Wrapped on Spotify. It will take you straight to your Spotify Wrapped on Spotify application. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.